Hello dear students and parents, this is Umarike from Rayan Science and RMS, coaching center Nago, Hyderabad. So yesterday released All India Science School entrance results lo class 9th entrance and class 6th entrance lo విద్యార్థి సత్తా చాటారు. So I am appreciating that. So class 9th లో top 1 rank లో and class 6th లో తెలంగాణలో థర్డ్ ర్యాంక్స్ సాధించిన ఆరాధ్య and he got 279 marks. In mathematics 150, 147 and intelligence 50 marks. And again next so again Bolla Varshit Reddy, he got 272 marks. In mathematics he got the 150 out of 150 and intelligence he got the 48 marks. And again next 71 marks out of 300. In mathematics he got 147 and intelligence he got 48 marks and more than 250 marks to 63 students and more than 240 students. I am showing that. So P Navtesh and Vinay Chetan and Rahul CH1 Sai Sujan Ayush Raj Purohit and Dikshit Sohan Reddy and Hansikar and S. Sujan and Emre Naidu, Manish Krishna and M. Vishwan Kumar and Elis Varshit. So D. Devansh, Amulya, P. Rutvika and Dharasri and Sai Charan Reddy, P. Sai Charan Reddy and Ranjit